Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So on today's video I'm going to show you how to manage subscription on Ladder. So managing your Ladder subscription depends on how you signed up, by using Apple or Google or even directly on the website. So actually guys, if you subscribed on an iPhone using the App Store, so actually this is the most common case, okay? So as the first step, you only just open the settings on your iPhone. So go ahead, click on your device settings or tap on them, and then tap your Apple ID or your name at the top. So when you tap it, you will be able to see the subscriptions option right here. Okay, so it's the fourth option. So once you tap it here, you can select Ladder, okay, and you can then change the plan if available, cancel subscription, and to renewal date. Okay, so the Apple controls the payment, not Ladder directly. And it's important to know that deleting the app does not cancel your subscription, just in case you're worried, and you keep access until the end of your billing period after canceling. And some plans may only allow changes, not full switching, depending on how you subscribed. And if you subscribed using your Android, you only just open your Google Play Store and then just tap your profile icon that's located at the top right and look for the payment subscription option, and then just go with subscriptions, then select the app and manage, like canceling, changing plan if offered extra. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.